If your internet moves slower than your grandma typing a password, it's time for a network reset. First, open your Start menu and type Network Reset. Now, you'll see an option called Reset Now. Before you click it, make sure you know what this does. It will completely remove and reinstall all network adapters, clear saved Wi-Fi passwords, and rebuild your entire network stack from scratch. Click on Reset Now and confirm when prompted. Your PC will restart automatically in a few seconds. Once your PC restarts, Windows reinstalls all default network drivers automatically. Type CMD in the search bar, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as administrator. And type these commands in the right side one by one and hit Enter one by one. Winsock Reset rebuilds your entire network communication layer, fixing any corrupt sockets. IP Reset refreshes your network adapter's TCP IP stack, which can resolve adapter misconfigurations. Firewall Reset restores all network firewall rules to default. Release, Renew, and Flush DNS commands rebuild your IP and DNS configuration from scratch. Once all commands finish, type Exit and press Enter. Now restart your PC to apply all changes. After reboot, open Control Panel. Go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. Change adapter settings. Right-click your active network adapter, choose Properties, scroll and double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically are both selected. Click OK, then close. If you want to add a small speed boost, open CMD again and run as admin. Type this command and hit Enter. If this saved your Wi-Fi from emotional damage, subscribe before it breaks again.